Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys had a good weekend. So now is the new week. We are back to the charts. Yeah, from what I've been seeing, the dollar has been gaining strength and the British pound USD has been falling. So let's dive into the chart and see what we have to look out for this week. Okay. Alright, let me take this out. Let's turn from the top. Okay guys, this is the British pound US dollar, as you can see above there. So I had to put my drawing tool up there so it's easier for me to access them when I want to draw. So yeah, this is my levels on the British pound US dollar. And as you can see, we have been trending downwards nicely, making consistent lower lows and lower highs. But for me personally, due to my experience in the market, I know that this market on the weekly time frame has given us an impulsive leg to the downside. This is the impulse leg. So now what are we expecting? For me personally, I'm anticipating a corrective wave back to this level 1.2600, tested as resistance and then go lower. Of course, it has tested here, but this was not a proper retest. So I'm looking for a proper retest to test that level, so we can see more of the sellers coming in. But you can see on the weekly time frame, we are still bullish, as we have not broken any lows yet. So this is the low I'm talking about, that if it is taken out on the weekly time frame, my buyers will change fully from buys to sells. This low right here. So what are we anticipating? Let's go on the daily time. Okay, we are anticipating a pullback for a correction. So we draw a Fibonacci from swing high to swing low, and then you can see we are expecting a correction. From my experience on GU, we always have a correction back to the 50% or the 61% fib. So you can plot our levels just there. These are our fib levels. Change the color to red. Yes, fib levels 50%. For me, I will plot the fib levels using the psychological levels. So this is 27500. So 27500. You see, it matches accurately with the 50% fib and the 61% fib. I will plot it like so, and that will be 28500, 28500, 285, and you see they are perfectly aligned. And so now, to not make the chart any more messy, I'll take out the fibs and I'll go down to my daily time frame. So now my daily time frame, what I'm messing is, you observe the fib levels are these two red lines. So yes, so now what are we expecting? Well, what you have been seeing from the past, from yesterday and today is Tuesday. G has been ranging. You can see, you can look at these candles. There isn't a lot of volume. See, yesterday's Monday candle was a doji, and this candle is still, Tuesday candle is still forming. But this week we have a lot of high impact news for the GBPUSD. We have the GBPUSD CPI. We have the US FOMC meetings. So so probably we'll see a lot of volumes starting off from tomorrow. But today should give us an indication of where price will likely head to. So I've told you how to know where price is likely going to head to, for the where price is mostly like to head to, or where price is mostly trending to. I've talked about that in my previous video. If you haven't watched it, go back and watch it. I'll put the link in the description below, so you guys don't miss out. It's a very powerful approach to the market to know where price will most likely head to dominantly for the week. So As you can see here on the GBPUSD, we are stuck in this. We are stuck below 1.2400. We need to call. For me, I'm anticipating a pullback to test this level of resistance before I see further downside. But from what I can see on the weekly time frame, we need to come in and test the 50% fib at least, or 61% Fibonacci levels before we see further downside. So that is what we'll be looking at. So let's talk about entries, because it's not really know about direction. If you don't get the right entry, it's going to be a lot of emotions coming in with downdraws and everything. So this is my charts. Go on the forward reference so you guys can see clearly, or let's go on the daily. Yes, on the daily you can see this is I've marked my high and low of the week. If you don't know how to mark the high and low of the week, please go back and check the previous video I made. I'll put a link in the description. So back to what I was saying. So what I'm anticipating for price to show me the dominance trend of the week. So either we break above the high, pull back, retest, and then I'll be looking for my positions to go long from here. Or if we decide to go lower, we break below the low of the week, come back, retest, and start heading lower, and I'll look for my positions to go short. And now let's see, if you're going to go lower, where is the next possible target? The next possible target is 12200 level. This is where we'll likely come into before we see any other reaction or rejections. But if you are to come down out of this level, this is where we are heading to. So price move from zone to zone. Yes, so this is how we are looking for the British pound US dollar. So now we are not trading, because we can't trade inside this trend, because we go to the 4 hour, you see how messy and choppy that the chart is looking. The chart is looking very choppy. There's no decision. When in trading, you don't just buy anywhere. The price needs to come to a point of your interest where you know that the odds are really in your favor. This is an odds game. If the odds are not in your favor and you take a trade, it will lead you to having all these negative emotions that will make you have bad decisions in trading. And you need to keep a disciplined mind and very focused energy when you are trading. So this is what I have for GBPUSD for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this focus of the week, and wish you guys lots of profit this week. Hope to see you guys next week. I will be doing a breakdown on Friday or Saturday to tell you guys about the positions we took and see how things goes. Till next time, guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and if you have any friends struggling with trading, you can share this video to them, and hopefully this will help them improve in their consistency and profitability. Alright, till next time, guys. Ciao for now. It's Frankie Banks. Later.